Oh, yeah, so what's happening? So, okay.
I ain't even got the right tools.
You want 3 pumps? Tell me when it comes out the nipple. I'm pumping now.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
One. Is it coming out yet?
No, it ain't
It's getting hard in here.
Huh?
It's getting hard in here. Oh, it's gone really hard.
It's gone hard.
It's gone hard.
That's just the way we like it.
I've done 4 pumps.
Right. Hold it down.
I'm holding it down.
Down?
It's down. It's down and hard. Oh, it's got a bit soft.
Hey, that's just how a man likes it.
Okay then.
That lets off a bit of steam.
Ugh.
Right. Pump her up again.
I'm pumping again. Oh God, it's so hard.
Oh, yeah.
I can't get any harder than this. It's so stiff.
I'm just going to crank my nipple again.
Okay.
Ready?
Is it spurting out the end yet?
Pushing.
I'm pushing.
Oh.
Oh, is it dribbling?
Oh, you definitely do.
Oh, do you want me to start pumping now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I've stopped
hold it
pumping.
down. Hold it down.
I'll hold it down.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's hard again.
Good.
Is it a gusher?
Back up.
Back up.
Back up.
I'm backing up.
Right. And then just push it and hold it down. Don't
Push it and hold it down. Okay, it's in. Oh God, that's so hard. That's harder than last time.
Good.
Oh, it's gone soft. Oh, it's gone all the way down to the bottom.
Good. Hold it there. Hold it there.
Oh, she's not gushing too much.
It's a bit wet.
It's a bit wet.
It's a bit fucking wet now, isn't it?
Oh dear.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh,
Right.
drift.
You can take off now.
Take what off?
Your foot.
Oh, take my foot off it. It's off.
Good.
You turn it up now.
Yeah, we're all done.
Oh.
Nipple up.
Yeah, baby.
Good.